what's up y'all? Welcome back. So today, let's hope today's baking goes well, because if you're a regular viewer, you know the last couple times that I've made things, I've had a lot of mistakes. So let's hope today goes well. I was originally going to do sourdough discard brownies, but I realized I don't have enough chocolate chips for that. So I found a recipe for sourdough discard sugar cookie bars. And I don't think I have ever had I don't think I have ever had a sugar cookie bar. So I'm not gonna waste your time and blah 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 like I normally do. We're just gonna get right into making these sugar cookie bars and try them out and see if they're good. Let's go. All right, in this bowl, whoa, I don't know why I won't focus. In this bowl, I have 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, and I'm gonna add 8 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I don't know why this is not focusing super well, but sorry. I don't have much control over what the camera decides to do. I don't know. I'm gonna add 8 tablespoons of room temperature butter. And I'm gonna cream it together with my mixer. All right, now to that, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, of which I'm not going to measure. And then I'm going to add 1 room temperature egg. And I'm going to add 50 grams of room temperature sourdough discard. And if you don't have a scale and you don't want to do it in grams, it is 1/4 cup of discard. Okay, now I'm gonna just blend this together. All right, now my butter was salted, so I'm not going to add butter. I'm not gonna add salt since my butter was salted. But if you don't use salted butter, add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 cups of flour. I'm gonna do 1 cup, mix it together, and then add the other cup. Also, I do have my oven preheated to 350 degrees, and I have an 8x8 pan with some parchment paper that I'm gonna put this in. So I'm gonna add my other cup of flour and then a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I normally would use an actual measuring spoon, but I'm not going to right now. Just use that spoon. Okay. Now, the recipe does say if you do not want to bake this right away, you can cover it with like plastic wrap or like the beeswax cover. and put it in the refrigerator for a maximum of 3 days. So you do not have to bake this right away. I feel like this is a 9 by 9. I think I have an 8. Hold on. Please hold. I switched out my pans because that one was definitely a 9 by 9. And it specifically says 8 by 8. And I'm not trying to like ruin my recipe today. So, I'm gonna smash all this down off camera and then I will put it in the oven for 15 minutes. I ended up cooking these for like 24 minutes instead of 18. So keep that in mind. All right, y'all. So we're gonna actually follow a recipe for the frosting that goes on these. So in this bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Make sure I got like all the wrapper off because I don't want to be blending wrapper. And now I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Not going to measure, so probably too much, but I don't care. I like vanilla. And then it calls for a tablespoon of heavy cream. I do not have any heavy cream, but I do have 1/2 and 1/2, so I'm just going to do a tablespoon of 1/2 and 1/2. And then we're gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna taste it. That's good. Now we're gonna move over here. I was going to have Jonathan frost these, but he's kind of busy. So I'm gonna frost it, and then we'll have Jonathan try it, because I feel he has not been in a video in a while. It feels like it. I'm pretty excited for these. I love sugar cookies. It's one of my most favorite cookie, I think. I think it's because I don't really love like crunchy cookies. And sugar cookies usually are soft. Also, the only sprinkles that I have are like Halloween themed, so we'll probably be putting some Halloween sprinkles on this. I'm excited for this. All right. The next clip you all will probably see is Jonathan trying these. So stay tuned for that. Calvin said, give me the cookies. I want the cookies. These are the cookies. This is Jonathan, of which you guys haven't seen in a long time because he's been busy. Yeah. Okay, I mean, I won't lie. Jonathan already tried them, and so did I.
Yeah, that's what I missed in one.
Yeah, we're missing. It was Calvin! Yeah.
There we go.
I know. They're super good. I'm like
That kind of
actually...
tastes like a Crumbl Cookie.
I think Crumbl Cookie would be if there was almond extract in it, because I think they add that, but...
But you put them in the fridge and they're like chilled and they're really good.
Highly recommend putting them in the fridge for just a little bit. They're super good. And I didn't mess up the frosting with the powdered sugar and the liquid.
Your runny frosting.
Yeah. Calvin. Alright. Jonathan's gonna finish eating his cookie. And we're gonna go take Calvin for a walk. And yeah, you know, we'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll let Jonathan be in it. I'll allow it.
Oh, wow.
No, anyways, all right, guys. We'll see you later. Bye!